I am Sampath. You are watching Sampath SoundFX channel. Let's begin this video. Today I am going to unbox this Redmi Sonic Base wireless earphones, which I have ordered in the sale. It is for just $9.99. Now it is currently available for $12.99. So let's unbox this product. Let's unbox this. What we have inside. Let's check out. These are actually for 1300 rupees. During this Diwali sale I got it for just $9.99. So this is a Redmi Sonic Bass wireless earphones. They also mentioned few specifications here: up to 12 hours of playback time, environmental noise cancellation, IPX4 splash and sweat proof. If you see in the back side, there they have written $15.99, but it is just $12.99. That's all, guys. These are the only specifications mentioned on the box. I ordered blue color. By the way, if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the notification by pressing the bell icon. In their me.com, they have clearly mentioned the product description. It is 12-hour music playback, as we have seen, and good thing about this is like dual pairing option is also available, and dual mic environmental noise cancellation, and also they have mentioned that IPX4 water resistance, and also this voice assistance is used. And this earphones is also compatible with Android and iOS voice assistants. Multifunction button is also available. I will show you. And Bluetooth 5 support is there. And they claim that it is a lightweight with flexi arc design. Let's open the box. This all the contents will get: user manual, nothing in the box is the user manual, and this the headphones itself. Okay, these are rubber tips. Okay, it's super light, and the material, I think this is rubber. This here there are buttons given. I think you are seeing it. This is a power button. This is volume up and down button. They gave all the buttons on the right side, no buttons on the left side. Also the charging port this side. I guess this is very tight. Here we need to charge this. This is a micro USB port. And these are magnetic. See here, these are magnetic. Here they given this microphone vents, I guess. This is the Bluetooth earphones. Let's turn this on. Okay, the blue light is blinking. Let's share this. Okay, we got that Redmi Sonic Boss earphones as name. Let's pair it. Okay, it's paired. It's showing 60% battery. As you can see guys, it's showing 60% battery. Contacts, media, audio, phone calls. You can rename it if you want it. And this earphones, Bluetooth earphones have one more feature, like we can connect to both smartphones. I have connected one smartphone. Now let's connect the other smartphone. Let's check. We need to disconnect this, I think, first. To disconnect this, let's connect for this one. Yes. Pair. Now I will show you one option. This is the option especially given to this Bluetooth earphones. Now I am turning on in this smartphone now. Okay, this one is connected, and even this smartphone is also connected. Okay, once this is connected, this one is disconnected. If I turn it off, this one is connected. Okay, like that friends, this feature is useful as they mentioned. This one is connected. Now this one is not going to connect. Okay, this one also connected. Okay, it is showing again. It will disconnect since this one is connected. So this is the unboxing of Redmi Sonic Base wireless earphones, friends. Do like it, and also mention anything you want to know about these things. Mention in the comment section. I'll answer in the next review. I'll make this earphones review. Soon we are getting PUBG game also. I will test this in gaming also, and I will update my review. So subscribe to my channel. We also get this different earbuds, 2 different types. Based upon your ear size, you can fix this. And looks like first impressions, the quality of the material is also good. This is flexible. The wires also looking like braided or rubber type. It's good, thick wire rubber. They also mentioned this side, wait, this side right and this side left. They mentioned here which is left and right side all the ports are given. And this is the magnetic. No function is assigned to this one, but just it's there to hold on your neck. For similar kind of videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.